Mayor? Okay, I'm H.G. Kim of ASL Audio, and I'm developing our product for this company. And at this ISE show, we are launching very cutting-edge the column array systems. It looks very simple, but inside include a lot of the new technology. So currently, this type of loudspeaker is a hot issue in this market. So we try to introduce this product to European market. So even it's narrow and small, but a little bit longer than normal loudspeaker. The sound is great, and it goes too far away than a normal point array loudspeaker. So we are proudly this product to introduce in the European market.
And then what's your website?
Yeah, we have a website, www.aslaudio.co.kr.